Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another sneak peek flashlight review, this time from Nitecore. Now they sent me this light here, which is the MH25 V2. So it's not yet showing on the NitecoreStore.com, which is pretty typical. So this is a very early sample that they sent me with no box, of course. It's still being designed. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up and get into it. Now they did send me pretty much all the accessories that it looks like it's going to come with, and I'll go over those in just a sec. Now this is a complete kit, does come with a battery. Always great to get these a little bit before everybody else, be able to show them on my channel. Does come with a CR123 battery adapter. Also can run 18650s. It's kind of got an open end here, so it's a little bit longer. One USB charging cable, and it looks like you get one O-ring, a lanyard, and one clip. Now hopefully this will come with a plastic holster as well. Pretty sure it will, but I did not get one in my sample. So let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Now this here is the multi-task hybrid series. So you can do it everyday carry because it's a side switch, or you can tactically do it as well. A lot of heat sinking here. Now my understanding, this has a crazy run time on 1 lumen at 1500 hours. Got the charging port here, Type C. Now the upgrades they did on this, my understanding, is the faster charging for that port because they are using a bigger battery, of course. Also the higher lumen output, which this puts out 1300 lumens versus the previous model was 1000 lumens. Got knurling here, here, and here. It's not rough. Feels pretty basic on the roughness on there. I don't really think it's going to help much with gripping the light, but definitely looks nice. Side switch there. Does stick out past the body there a little bit. Nice size. Definitely something that's easy to carry, even pocket carry, or hopefully this will come with a holster as well. Now all of Nitecore lights have very heavy duty finishes here on their lights. Style and design on this is very nice. I like the way it's a little bit thicker here at the head than at the rest of the body. Now don't get me wrong, the thickness of the light, the whole length of it, is not a problem either. A little bit easier to carry in your pocket. Now this here, you can put it in a holster as well, so it should be easier to carry. Also with the clip here, you can easily clip it to the outside of your pocket, we're going to go ahead and take the clip out now, put it on, see how it looks. Now the lanyards here are pretty typical in size, so actually universal definitely is made for larger hands, so that's nice. Here's the clip. So the clip, you've got two areas you can put it in, here, here, or reverse it, whichever one you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and put it this way here, because I usually carry my lights with the head facing down to keep dust from accumulating on the head. Still does, but not as bad as if it's upright. Now you can leave it off if you don't want it. I'll leave it on there. Kind of gives it a little bit more of a look. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. Not a super high gloss finish, but definitely very durable. Alright, so now let's go to the reflector. Is a deep smooth reflector. Now according to Nitecore, it's just a high performance LED. Not sure why they're not saying what it is, but it definitely looks like a OSRAM LED in there, or possibly a Cree XHP35. So that's what that looks like there. Leave a comment down in the description what you think it is. But it's so early in before the release of this light, so I really don't have too much to go on. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. Tail spring there is pretty heavy duty. Dual springs in there. Got some grease there on the threads as well. Here's the battery that it comes with. Now I believe that they have two versions of this. They have a 4,000 and a 5,000 milliamp here. Now my sample here came with a 5,000 milliamp 21700 cell. This is a 20 amp cell. This is protected. And I don't think this comes apart. No. So we're going to go ahead and get this back together, and let's go through the UI. Now the UI is pretty basic on the Nitecore. You have a daily mode and more of a tactical mode. Alright, so now let's go through the UI. The UI is pretty straightforward. You have a daily mode and a tactical mode. So let's go ahead and get it started. There it is there. Very low light output there. That donut appearance will disappear as further out you get. Now we're going to go through the light levels here. Now I notice right offhand this LED is on the warm side, so it's about 5,000 K. A lot of light coming out of that. Let's go over the beam here. Make it a little bit better there on the screen. So as you can see, a nice hot spot here. A little bit of bleeding around that edge before it goes into the spill. Nice cutoff. It's going to have a wide spill. Might lean a little more towards the dedicated thrower side. So we'll have to check that out when we take it outside. So now if you do want to get to the other special modes, you're going to press and hold. And you can keep pressing and holding to go through those, of course. So now when you get to the one that you want it on, you can simply release it and it will stay on that one. This is beacon. I'm going to press and hold again to turn that off. We're going to right back to the regular lowest light output. Press and hold again. We'll give you what they call a tactical strobe. So it's variable on the flash, my camera. And there it goes, starts to picking it up there now. Kind of fades in and fades out because this is changing ever so rapidly. And this is distracting. Press and hold this again. Goes back to the lowest. So now we're going to press it again. I'll show you the other special mode. This is SOS. And you can click that one time to go back to the last light output that you had it on. This does have memory mode. Put it there. So if you want to set it up for tactical, you can. Pressure switch this. Great for law enforcement. And we're right back down to the lowest light output. Simple and easy to operate. It's always a big plus for me. And I really like the simple UIs, especially if you're using it out in the woods and you're doing hunting. You get a little excited or something scares you, turn it on and you mess up. You got a special UI, now you're in a total different part of the UI and light output that you did not want. This here is pretty basic. Keeps straight to the light outputs, nothing else. But overall, build quality on this top notch. Never had any issues with Nitecore and their build quality. Definitely is rugged, feels solid. And that's all there is to it. Really am excited to go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the all-new sneak peek at the Nitecore MH25 V2. Start off on the low setting. There it is on the water spout. You can see it there. It is making it, that is 35 feet from where I'm standing. And it is faintly making 65 feet. There's the beam on the fence. Kind of give you an idea. Alright, let's go to the next level. Nice color temp on this. Tree line. Fence line. Faintly making it across the park to those playgrounds there. And it is making the Tree of Life. Now this is 138 feet from where I'm standing. Alright, let's go to the next level. Good even spacing on this. Sorry about that, it's cold out here tonight. Making it to the school. And it is faintly making that first palm tree. So that's impressive. Making it to the school with these. Now this tree behind the Tree of Life here is 238 feet, and it is making it. Making those trees out there. Lighting up the playgrounds over there now. Even more. Tree line. Fence line. Let's go to the next level here. Nice. Color temp is really nice on here. It looks a little bit warmer than 5K, but I could be wrong. But it looks very close to it. Easily making it across the park. Even those trees out there. No problems. Not sure why Nitecore is not saying what LED is in here. Oh, there it is. First palm tree and the second one. Impressive for this little light. Outstanding beam performance. Very nice. Fence line, tree line. Do a beam profile here. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive performance. Definitely is a nice improvement in light output. Now also the color temp has changed on this. A little bit warmer, a little bit better out there in my opinion. Now cool white is going to give you the brightest light output and some of the best throw that you can get. But when you're wanting a light that shows you the color spectrum out there, definitely is something here with this MH25 V2. Definitely is impressive. The UI is easy to use, very nice, not heavy at all. A little bit heavier on the head, but that's to be expected. And nice benefit here, you also have like 2-in-1 flashlights, everyday carry, or you can carry it tactically. Really like those as well. Now another improvement they did with the rapid charging on the Type-C, another big plus for this, light output. Just wish they would tell us what LED was in this, but it's not really a huge issue. Still impressive, definitely is a high performance LED in my opinion. Comes with these accessories as I know of right now, and because this is a sneak peek, I was glad to bring it to you. And I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this MH25 V2 to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description. Now when it becomes available, of course I'll leave a special discount code there that'll help you save some money. Once it's at the nitecorestore.com, everything will be updated in that description as well. And that'll help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these sneak peeks to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.